In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time on tasks in ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity tool that helps you manage tasks, projects, and workflows, and its time tracking feature is a fantastic way to stay on top of how you're spending your time. Whether you're managing a team or just trying to keep yourself on track, understanding how to log your hours directly into ClickUp can make a huge difference. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive into the process. First, open your browser and go to www.clickup.com. Once you're on the home page, log into your ClickUp account. You can log in using your email address or through a connected provider like Google. If you're logging in for the first time, make sure you're entering the correct credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on the ClickUp homepage. Before moving forward, check that you're in the correct workspace. Your workspace is displayed near the top of the page, and this is where all your tasks and projects are stored. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the right one for the task you want to track. Next, head over to the top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile icon or your name. It's the same spot where you manage your account settings. A drop-down menu will appear from this menu. Select Track Time. This is where you can decide how you want to log your hours. Now, you'll need to choose how you want to capture your time. If you already know how many hours you worked, you can select Enter Hours manually. This option allows you to input the exact amount of time you spent on a task. On the other hand, if you're currently working on a task and want to track your time live, select Record Time. This will start a timer that runs in the background while you work. Once you've decided how to log your time, the next step is to associate it with a specific task. Use the task search feature to find the task you're working on. Simply type in the task name or keywords, and ClickUp will pull up matching results. Select the correct task from the list. After selecting the task, take a moment to confirm that it's connected to the right space and list within your workspace. This is especially important if you're part of a team or working on multiple projects, as it ensures your time entry is organized and easy to find later. Finally, click Save to commit your time entry. If you entered your time manually, it will be locked in immediately. If you're using the live timer, the timer will continue running in the background until you stop it. This flexibility allows you to track your time in a way that suits your workflow best. And that's it. You've successfully tracked your time on a task in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.